For years, AI has lived on screens writing text and generating images. But now, the brain is getting a body. Welcome to the era of physical AI. Physical AI isn't just software. It's AI that interacts with the physical world. It uses sensors to see, processors to think, and actuators to move. It navigates gravity, friction, and chaos. First, logistics. In warehouses, robots don't just follow lines on the floor anymore. They use AI to navigate dynamic environments, dodge people, and pick fragile items of different shapes and sizes without crushing them. Second, healthcare. Surgical robots allow doctors to operate with superhuman precision. AI stabilizes a surgeon's hand movements and can even guide the tools to avoid damaging nerves or blood vessels. It's collaboration, not replacement. Third, transport. Self-driving cars are the ultimate physical AI. They process data from LiDAR cameras and radar in milliseconds to make life-or-death decisions on the road. It's the hardest AI challenge we've ever tackled. Fourth, agriculture. Drones scan fields for disease. Robots pick strawberries one by one. Physical AI allows us to farm with the precision of a gardener at the scale of an industrial farm. The challenge. Physics is hard. In a simulation, gravity is perfect. In reality, wheels slip, sensors get dirty, and wind blows. Closing this simtorial gap is the frontier of AI research. We are moving from AI that talks to AI that does. This helped. Like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.